It is now announced that Troy Lee Designs and Gas Gas have signed, I think, if I'm reading this right, a 3-year extension to be a factory squad, which is cool because for the last 3 years you've had Pierce Brown, Michael Mosman, and Justin Barsha. This year you still have Pierce Brown, you still have Justin Barsha, but you have that guy right there on the right, Ryder DiFrancesco. So you get a little bit of a team change. Obviously, you still have two 250 riders and one 450, and it's yet to be decided, I think, which coast Brown or DiFrancesco are racing. But it's cool because, I mean, factory squads are always cool. I think the little video that they did earlier this year introducing Ryder to the team was fun. It wasn't the stereotypical, hey, we've signed this guy, here's him shaking hands, and it's all super, bland, or whatever you want to say it. This is a little more of like I don't want to say the fun team or whatever you want to say it. Like, seems to be a little less of the serious side of things, where Barshad always has a good outlook and good personality to things, and I hope to do well. I mean, I like Barsha personally. I think he brings a lot to the sport, being that controversy guy. You got to have that piece of, spice to it. And I hope that both Brown and DiFrancesco do good this year, and that Barsha does good. So in the comments below, I want you to tell me, where do you think they all finish? Or what coast do you think what coast do you think the two 250 riders race? Tongue twister right there, but tell me where you think they finish. How well of a year do you think Barsha's going to have? Because he shows speed on this bike, and I hope he, gets another win. Maybe Francesco gets a win, whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.